How to fix Facebook app marketplace isn't available right now. So first things first, unlock your phone and head over to the settings. It's that icon that looks like a gear, or sometimes it says settings right there on your home screen. Once you're in settings, look around for something that says app management or just apps. Cool, now you're in the apps section. Find an option that says app list or installed apps. This is where all your apps hang out. Time to find Facebook. It's usually in alphabetical order, so just keep scrolling until you see Facebook. Tap on it once you find it. Alright, now you should see some options related to Facebook. Look for one that says storage usage or something similar. This is where we're going to clean things up a bit. Tap on storage usage, and you'll see a couple of options pop up. Look for the one that says clear cache. Finally, just tap on clear cache and confirm if your phone asks you to. And that's it. You've cleared the cache for Facebook, hopefully fixing that pesky marketplace issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.